Hello everyone, welcome to BluePrism video training. In this video, we'll be discussing about the prerequisites that one should know to learn robotic process automation. Listed here are the basic prerequisites to learn RPA. First one is logical knowledge. That is, one should have basic logical thinking capabilities. And the second one, knowledge on flowcharts. Many of us have already studied about flowcharts in our plus 2. Flowcharts mainly consist of different shapes like start, end, which does some particular specific action. And the next one is SQL queries. When RPA wants to interact with database, we should have basic knowledge of SQL, like select statements, etc. Similarly, when RPA wants to interact with Excel, one should have basic knowledge of Excel. And coming to the last and fifth prerequisite is programming. Programming is not required to learn RPA, it's not a mandatory thing. But however, basic knowledge on concepts like loops, if condition, switch statements help a lot while learning RPA. In the next video, we'll discuss about RPA, its advantages and limitations. Thank you for watching this video.